Well, good Friday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a showing off good Friday, and I hope everybody's looking forward to the weekend. But I'm here to tell you in East Central Mississippi, it is showing enough hot in the triple digits. That's okay. I'm hoping we get some rain because we can use some. Before we get started on today's video, I always like to say that if you are new to the channel, we want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is let's take a look at what's not left with the late summer garden. I got something in the mail, and yeah, I'm going to show you a few other things. So give me a second. That's what we finna do's. Well, I got something in the mail. So Mr. Bob and Miss Mel over at BobMel's Simple Living sent some Comfrey starts over here for Dan, the Comfrey killer. We're gonna walk over here and we're gonna look at them, and I'm gonna read you the note that Mr. Bob put in the box. Mr. Bob, I hope you don't mind. So let's go look at those. So here are the two Comfrey starts. Mr. Bob, this one looks really good. This one, I don't know. When I unpacked it, two of the leaves fell off. I just watered it down, watered the soil down. So maybe the root will send off another leaf, or maybe it'll do something. I'm gonna say that maybe this package was a day late. I don't know, it was sitting out in the sun. So as soon as I drove up, I saw it. And before I even got on my work clothes, I opened it up and immediately drenched it down with a little bit of water. So we'll see how they do. This one is looking real good. There's a note. Mr. Bob wrote, "Hello, Miss Skylar. Hope you, Dan, and the children are well and happy. I'm sending you two Comfrey starts. It seems Dan is not having good success. I hope you can keep them going. Best wishes, Bob." Mr. Bob, we sure enough going to try to keep these Comfrey starts going. I don't know. Sometimes when you get too specific, you shouldn't be specific soil-wise, because from what I understand, Comfrey will just grow in anything really. So, yeah. But let me show you something else. Lo and behold, I was looking at all my other pots that I had Comfrey in that the sapper gardener sent me. And I'm going to say this is the first round of Comfrey roots that the sapper sent me. Look at there. I think I might have me a Comfrey plant growing in this here pot there, sapper. Here are my Persian cucumbers. They sprouted up. I have them sitting outside in a 10-20 tray, just getting them hardened off. I have two of them, planted 4. So all I did was pick out the weakest ones and left the strongest ones. So I'm hoping to get some Persian cucumbers for the fall garden. It has just been extremely hot here in East Central Mississippi. You can't stand to be outside very long. It's one of those work 15 minutes, take a break for an hour hot. Let me show you what the earth bed garden is looking like. I'm trying to get it ready for the fall planting, so there it is. Been doing a lot of weeding. It doesn't look like it, but after the rain we got, this stuff was just covered in weeds. And of course, Bugsy the goat didn't want to eat anything down, so I've been pulling a lot of weeds. I still have some pepper cages to pull out, but it's getting there slowly but surely. This is the area that I'm going to put the greenhouse covering in to try to smother out all the weeds for the fall garden. And I'm actually thinking on putting up a pallet fence all the way around this garden to keep out the goat and the rabbits. That's another thing I'll be working on. But let me show you some other stuff that kind of surprised me. Got some volunteer maters that came up. This is if I'm not mistaken, a Jubilee. Got some more right here, and these are yellow toms from Norway, if I'm not mistaken. So my thinking is maybe I can keep these maters going towards the fall and get a few maters to harvest as well. We'll have to see. That was surprising because I was actually in the process of starting to dump all of these grow bags into a reclamation bin so I could reuse the soil, re-energize the soil for maybe the fall planting. I don't know what exactly I'm going to plant. Here's all the other grow bags, and there's not a leaf one on any of these pepper plants. The goat has ate every single leaf. I have a few peppers on here that I'm just going to let them sit on here and dry and maybe save some seeds. because I'm going to share these Aztec rainbow chilies or 5-color hots. If anybody that may want some seeds, we'll see how that goes. I have been cutting grass like a wild man over here. With the rain that we've been getting, it seems like about every 4 days I have to get out here and cut the grass, because I'm here to tell you, you let this grass go for a couple of days, it is going to be something else once you go to cutting it. So that's what I've been doing, cutting a whole bunch of grass and trying to get some cucumbers started so I can get them in the ground or get them in the grow bag for the fall. Well, there you have it. That's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. Lord of mercy. Mr. Bob over at BobMel Simple Living sent me some comfrey starts. Again, Mr. Bob and Miss Mel, thank you for the comfrey starts. We're going to try to keep them going, and because we want to get some comfrey growing over here. What I'll do is I'll put a link down in the description, point y'all to Mr. Bob's channel. He is doing a lot of stuff over there. He has some really nice raised beds, and he and Miss Mel have a lot of nice flowers over there at his home place, and he's got some chickens too. So again, I hope everybody is having a show enough Good Friday, and I hope everybody stays safe over the weekend amid this crisis we still have going on. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming down, referee showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You showing off, get your shine on and be you. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.